Welcome back. Now, when you have multiple areas of data, you're going to want to set up your print job so that it works for those to whom you are presenting the information to. What you can do is you can go to the File command. You can then go and click Print. And what you're going to notice is that there is a link at the bottom for the page setup. And so one of the things you're going to want to do is to determine how you want to print your data. Now, you're going to see a sample of how the data is going to be printed, and you're going to be able to determine first the orientation. So if you want to use landscape, you'll see how landscape view is going to look with your data. You're then going to be able to set your margins, and those margins will determine how your data sits on your page. If you want to place headers and footers, you'll be able to write that information inside of the page setup. And routinely, you will be entering some kind of header or footer. You'll also be able to determine how a particular sheet is going to be printed. And as we went over in the page layout, we can also determine grid lines and headings, as well as a particular print area when we want to only print a certain level of data. So for example, again, if we only want to print this one area, what we want to do is we want to go and highlight that area and then click Set Print Area. First, we're going to clear the print area of any other jobs, and then we're going to set the print area for the information that we have here. And then when we go back to our print, you're going to notice that all of this information is here. We can then come back and then center this information horizontally. We can center it vertically. What we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and click OK. And then you'll see that our data is then going to be centered on our page. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.